Hello, everyone. My name is Bria Tillman, and I am excited to start this new course. And welcome to the new year. I am going to discuss my educational experience. So, I have been in education for 10 years now. I began as a paraprofessional where I was supporting a special needs unit for maybe 2 or so years, and then as a paraprofessional, I began supporting fifth grade, fourth grade, and then once I earned my bachelor's degree, I went ahead and took up a teaching position at the same school, and I began teaching first grade. I also taught K-5. Then I returned to first grade. I was taught first grade for about three or 4 years, and then I was moved up to teach third grade, which I began teaching as of last year, and I absolutely love it. I would kind of wish I had been teaching it all along, but now I see how teaching K-5 in first grade supported me as the teacher that I am today. I want to discuss why do I want to become an educational leader? Well, I have to be transparent. Becoming an educational leader is not necessarily something that I wanted to be. I found myself kind of naturally being an educational leader within my school building. I found other educational leaders basically looking to me to lead and pushing me towards leadership and getting me involved in roles and expecting more out of me. So that's why I'm here. I'm here because I was pushed here. I know that I am a leader. I know that educational leadership comes with a lot of responsibility and expectation, but it is obviously a duty to which I am called. So that's why I am becoming an educational leader. All right, so now I'm going to discuss how did I get my name. So my name again is Bria Tillman, and I got my name. My first name, my mom named me after Eddie Murphy's daughter who was born at the time, and her name was Bria Murphy. And then my last name I got from my father, whose last name is also Tillman. And from my history, I realized that Tillman is a name that was given to my father's family. I'm guessing from slavery. Maybe their plantation owner in Florida. They took on the name of him. And Tillman derives from a man who tills the ground, a man who works the ground, a farmer. All right, so now I'm going to discuss the research I did on the ethnic origin of my name. And I'll show you what I got here. So it says, according to BehindTheName.com, Bria is an English name. It's popular in the United States. It was most popular in the 1990s. That's when I was born. It means, it's a feminine name, and it means modern, youthful, informal, upper class, natural, wholesome, refined, strange, and simple. That's pretty interesting. I'd say it's pretty spot on. All right, and then when I did my research on the name Tillman, it is also an English name. It says, and this is from Family Search website, one who was employed in tilling the soil, a brave man, a husbandman, is an archaic or formal term for a farmer or cultivator of land, someone who works the soil, tends crops, or raises livestock, emphasizing stewardship and diligent care, much like a master of a household. So that is the research behind my name. And I'm going to answer this final question. So, given the nature of our course, why is it important to know our names and the names of others in this class, your students, staff, and community members? I think it's important to know others' name and recognize their name because it gives them a form of identity. You can hopefully better understand people, where they come from, their origins, their walks of life, and their culture and their customs, and embrace that as you teach and lead within the school building or the classroom. Thank you, guys.